Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today I show you how to use the Feiyu WG2 with your Sony FDR X-3000. The first step would be to unscrew the frame that originally comes mounted on the gimbal arm. After that, you will need a 3D printed kit that is available for sale on the internet. In the description you will find the link to the site where I bought this parts. The frame that you now see in the image will have to be snapped onto the gimbal arm. After that, a second 3D printed part with a counterweight has to be attached to the outside of the gimbal arm. Finally, the camera must be secured with a screw. The kit even included a small 3D printed tool to help you with this. Nice. Now you only need to balance the gimbal before you turn it on and you are good to go. As you can see, it works pretty good, only the roll axis has not that much clearance on this configuration. If you have a Feiyu WG2 from a previous camera and want to stabilize your Sony, you don't have to spend money on a new gimbal.